Every manufacturing company has two primary goals: achieving on-time deliveries and optimizing available resources. But without the right technology, achieving these goals could be daunting. This is where precision planning plays a key role. Presenting Inventix Planet, advanced production planning and scheduling software designed for discrete manufacturing industries. With Inventix Planet, planning managers can achieve optimum resource utilization, leading to 100% on-time deliveries consistently. The core function of Inventix Planet is its ability to reduce inaccuracies in planning and scheduling, preventing even the smallest of glitches from occurring on the factory floor. With a 360-degree view of details like order priorities, delivery dates, raw material status, machine capacity, mold and manpower availability, backlogs, reworks, and much more. Inventix Planet can provide vital support to planning managers in creating the most ideal production plan. Using Inventix Planet, planners can easily add or modify orders and evaluate outcomes in real time. This single interface planning board comes with simple drag-and-drop functionality, making it easy to use without any technical skills. Possibly one of the many reasons why more than 40 factories and sub-factories across the globe use Inventix Planet every day. As a dual-efficient software, Inventix Planet can function as a standalone application or can be integrated with any ERP, new or legacy. The best part? Inventix Planet can be deployed rapidly and can deliver ROI in just a few weeks. With more than 23,000 orders totaling 8 million order quantities, Inventix Planet is helping several discrete manufacturing companies become more efficient and achieve consistent profitability year on year. Now that's what we call true productivity. Inventix Planet, the name says it all.